Good day, class. It's time to learn something today. Are you ready to learn? Animals are living things. They need food, water, and air in order to live. They also need shelter. Now, can you do the following animals? Can you crawl like a snail? Good job. Can you run like a dog? Good job. Can you hop like a rabbit? Good job. So those are the movements of animals. My question is, why do animals move? Animals move around to find food and shelter. How do animals move? The animals move by using their body parts. Animals moves by running. Some animals can run and they use their legs to run. Those are the animals that can run, like zebra, a cheetah, and a horse. These animals can run. Now, can you name other animals that can run? Very good. Some animals also use their legs to leap or hop. These are the animals that can leap or hop, like a rabbit, a frog, and a kangaroo. Do you know other animals that can leap or hop? Good job. Now, some animals move by climbing. They use their limbs to climb trees. Example, we have a koala, a monkey, and a squirrel. These are the animals that can climb. Do you know other animals that can climb? Very good. Some animals move by flying. They use their wings to fly. Example, a bird, a butterfly, and bees. These are the example of animals that can fly. Can you name other animals that can fly? Animals move by crawling. They use their short legs to crawl. Example, we have a snail, crocodile, and a frog, or a lizard. These are the animals that can crawl. Can you name other animals that can crawl? Very good. Animals move by creeping and also in crawling, like a snake and earthworm. These are animals that can creep and they use also their body to move. And lastly, animals move by swimming. Some animals use their tails and fins to swim. Example, we have the hippopotamus, fishes, and turtle. These are animals that can swim. Can you give other example of animals that can swim? Very good. Now, we're going to have our activity. Can you identify how does the animals move? Number 1 is tiger. Write the letter of the correct answer. How does a tiger move? A, by swim, B, run, C, roll, or D, climb. Time starts now. The correct answer is letter B, that is run. Next one, snail. How does a snail move? A, swim, B, run, B, crawl, or C, crawl, or D, climb. Time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter C, crawl. Next one, How does a jellyfish moves? A. Leap, B. Run, C. Crawl, or D. Swim? Time starts now. Okay, the correct answer is letter D. That is swim. Next one. How does a snake moves? A. Creep, B. Run, C. Crawl, or D. Swim? Time starts now. The correct answer is letter A. Creep. Okay, and last one, frog. How does a frog moves? A. Swim, B. Run, C. Crawl, or D. Leap? Time starts now. The correct answer is letter D. That is leap. Again, animals move around to find food and shelter, and they use their body parts to move. That's all for today. See you again next time.